In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset Infinix Hot 9. I will ask one thing from you. If my tutorial help you solve this problem, make sure you subscribe for more updates, so when I post new video you can get notification for bypass and other phone settings. Now let's start and hit on the subscribe button right now. Press the up volume. Press and hold on the up volume and press and hold on the power button at the same time. Let's start. Up volume, power, up volume, power. When you see the screen light, leave the power. Leave the power when you see the screen light and hold on the up volume. Now we are going to remove no command. We are going to remove no command. So let me show you. Press the up and power at the same time like this. Press like this. Let's start. Press. Sometimes you must try it so many times before it will come, so you just keep on try it. So now use the down to move and power as OK, and select factory reset and press power, and come factory data reset and press power again. And check the link below the description how to bypass Tecno Hot 9 without PC. Now press power to reboot your phone, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for all this video.